to. Can I have a kiss?
No.
Why not?
No.
Can I have one?
No.
Can I have a hug?
No.
Oh, why not?
No.
Why?
Oh no.
'Cause no. Riley, do you want a cookie?
No.
Yes, you do.
Cookie.
Okay, but give me a kiss.
Milk.
Can I have a kiss? Then you want to have a cookie?
No.
What?
Milk.
You want milk? Give me a kiss first. She's mean. Can I have a kiss? Cake? Can I have a kiss?
No.
Fine.